Sumit and I were childhood sweethearts and finally tied a knot in 2015. But soon after, our jobs put oceans between us. One day my sister called me up to break the news of her pregnancy. That's when I realized I should prioritize my life as well. So that year on Father's Day, I texted Sumit asking if he wanted to be one too. And guess what? He said yes! So, we transferred to Bangalore and began trying to start a family. However, we were unable to conceive. That was when my sister told me about I Know, an ovulation kit that tells you when you're most fertile so you can plan better. I immediately bought the kit. 3 days later, I was on my magic days for pregnancy. That year, I discovered that becoming a parent was the greatest joy ever.